While melody is the star of the show, harmony is definitely the supporting cast. Harmony provides depth and richness to a song. It's the combination of different musical notes played simultaneously to support the melody. Think of it as the backdrop, setting the scene for the melody to shine. A well-chosen harmony can elevate a simple melody, transforming it into a multi-dimensional musical experience. I often find the harmony comes to me later on, after I've lived with the song for a while. Personally, I do a rough mix of a song and then play it back whilst I'm relaxing or cooking or whatever. I then find myself harmonizing naturally. I then do not plan it out. I just set the song in motion and record myself from start to finish, improvising over the top. Sometimes I just scrap it all, it's rubbish. And sometimes I'm just inspired to take it further. Usually I keep some bits and throw others away. Together, melody and harmony create a full, rich sound. They complement each other, with harmony adding depth and context to the melody. As a songwriter, understanding this relationship is key. It allows you to craft songs that are both musically interesting and emotionally resonant. When they work in tandem, melody and harmony have the power to transport listeners, evoking memories, emotions, and even entire scenes in the mind's eye.